So namaskar all of you. So this is a new batch notification for OS 2021 mains crash course for general studies, compulsory papers and a few of the optionals. So this would be starting from December 16. So it is starting from December 16. The timing is 3 hours per day, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You will be having your um, value added classes where important additions to your answers, okay, that will be told what you have to add so that you will get better marks. And after that 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. you will be having your 1 hour daily writing practice that will include important questions and previous year questions also you have to write there. And this is available for GS. It includes essay, compulsory English and Odia, and GS paper 1 and GS paper 2. Similarly, we are having crash course batches for a few optionals, that is home science, geography, sociology, agriculture and forestry. So I'll tell you the details of all this. So this batch will cover the important aspects of mains exam. It will cover all value added content like let's say in polity, some of the important doctrines, some of the important case laws. Okay, like in 2022-21, the new case laws which we have to write, which are not given in textbooks and which is going to add value to our answer. Important government schemes, what examples you have to give when you write about particular things. So those things will be there, and previous year questions will be okay discussed also. So this is both for classroom and online, daily 3 hours. So all 7 days you'll be having 3 hours class. And it will be a mix of classes because we will be covering the total syllabus of GS, okay, and compulsory papers English, Odia and essay. So 150 hours will be live classes and 200 hours you will get as recorded classes. So your entire syllabus of the mains GS and compulsory will be covered in 350 hours. Okay, so as I told you, it will cover GS paper 1, paper 2, compulsory English and compulsory, okay, essay. And as I've told you, it will be a mix of both live classes and recorded classes. It is classroom batches also there, so that 150 hours live, this will be in classroom as well as those who are taking it online. They will see these classes live, they can ask you doubts and all. And these 200 hours already pre-recorded classes will be there. Okay, so whatever doubts you have, the doubts will be cleared through WhatsApp. Okay, if you are having doubts outside the live classes also. And important concepts class handouts, that is printed for classroom students and PDF for the online students, will be provided. So the course fee is rupees 5,000, that is both for classroom and online students. Now coming to optional crash course. So we have two types of crash course under optionals. One is a exam specific crash course and the other one is a more detailed comprehensive uh, course. So I'll tell you what is the difference. So this is the exam specific crash course. We are offering 5 optionals: home science, geography, sociology, agriculture and forestry. Okay, these 5 optionals are being offered. So online recorded classes you will get of 100 hours. So in this all the important exam concepts will be covered. Okay, there are certain parts in the syllabus which are more important, which generally comes in the exam. Those parts will be covered in detail. Then value-added materials like equation diagram examples, that is covered. 4 full syllabus tests will be there, 2 for paper 1, 2 for paper 2, and doubt clearing through WhatsApp. Okay, if you have doubts on particular, so you can refer on this video. Okay, these are the doubts, so that doubt clearing will be done through WhatsApp. The course fee for the crash course for optionals, these 5 optionals, is 5,000 rupees, okay, per optional. Now excuse me, coming to comprehensive optional course. So what is the difference for these 5 optionals? There is also comprehensive course. So here you are getting 100 hours of important Okay, exam oriented material, okay, videos. Here entire course, bit by bit, entire syllabus is completed, so it is more than 200 hours. For example, in certain for example, in home science, this is more than 300-400 hours. Okay, because each and every part of the syllabus, point by point, has been covered. Okay, so it covers the entire syllabus in detail. The crash course covers the important parts in detail. Here it covers the entire syllabus in details. Okay, so all the value added materials are also included, and there you are getting 4 full length tests. Here you will get 16 full length tests. This will include chapter tests as well as full syllabus tests, but all will be 3 hours test. In the crash course, you will get 4 tests, okay, and they will be full syllabus tests. But here you will also get chapter wise tests. Another thing which is included in this comprehensive course is you get printed study material. Printed study material also you will get here, and doubt clearance you will have through WhatsApp. The course fee for the comprehensive batch for the optionals is 15,000 rupees. Okay, so apart from that, if you want individual GS modules, you want only statistics, or you want only ODIA compulsory, or only compulsory English, or only essay module, then the course fee for each of these module is 2,500 rupees. So these are the details for fees payment. You can get this PDF from our website or also from our Telegram channel. If you have any doubts, you can call 949684054656, or you can WhatsApp 9437002210. So 76840 54656. This is the number you can call, and this is the number you can WhatsApp. You can also WhatsApp this number. Okay. So those who have been selected for prelims, best wishes for your mains. Namaskar.